Can plants engage with humans on artistic level? Are they mere background or are they trying to communicate with us? Timothy Savas began as a biologist, studying how light and temperature affect seed growth. Later at MIT, he co-developed the food computer. Artificial environment stimulates ideal growing conditions even on Mars. In a past exhibition I curated, we grew a plant without soil. Artists used purple light, artificial wind, and sun-inspired sculptures to ask what does it mean to grow, to breathe, and to become. Canadian and UK-based artist Sammy Lee used driftwood to create a soft, kinetic sculpture that evoked the movement of wind. Massimiliano, an Italian light artist, designed a glowing installation inspired by sun's spectrum, casting warmth across the space. William Darrell 3D printed a trembling mushroom in a biodegradable plastic, a haunting reference to prehistoric era when trees couldn't be decayed, eventually forming coal. Today we burn what was once plant life, while studying fungi that might help repair what we've destroyed. This contradiction feels like a quiet warning, not just from science, but from nature itself. So maybe the real question isn't, can plants talk to us? Maybe it's, are we ready to listen?